Hi, good morning, and welcome to the Bond Consulting Services Dynamics 365 for Financials webinar and demo. We're excited today to talk to you about how small business accounting is just going to get easier using this solution. So today's presenters are myself, David Gersten. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Bond Consulting Services. We've also got Bob Bond, our President and Founder. Our agenda is quite simple today. We're going to talk briefly about what is Dynamics 365 for Financials. We'll then talk a little bit about what impact will it have on you. Dynamics 365 will revolutionize small business accounting. Finally, we'll go into the demo, and during this demo, we'll be showing you business management, sales processing, and inventory management inside of Dynamics 365. So what is Dynamics 365 for Financials? It's a brand new solution offered by Microsoft, and it's a business management solution that connects people and processes like never before. From day one, it's going to allow you to make ordering, selling, invoicing, and reporting easier and faster. The first way is it connects your business. The second way is it allows you to make better decisions. And lastly, it allows you to be ready to go all the time. The way it connects your business is by automatically pulling your systems and processes together. So you don't have to have people do these functionalities. We're excited to share this with you today of how the systems will automatically think for you and take action for you as well. By allowing the systems to work together with your processes and connecting your business, you'll be able to make better decisions. You'll be able to get the complete picture from across your business with amazing reports when and where you need them. And finally, you'll be ready to go. By connecting your business and making better decisions, you'll be ready to go with this solution because it's a real easy solution to get up and running quickly. So you really don't have to change the way you do things day to day. And we're going to show you more about how this solution as a whole can complete your business process. Dynamics 365 is a new offering hosted by Microsoft. What's exciting about it is, as you see on this slide, it integrates and lays horizontally across other solutions that are already in place within the Microsoft Office Services solution. Office 365, Power BI, Cortana Intelligence, and other third-party business applications all align on the same exact platform, which allow you to work together seamlessly with these applications. What you'll see is if you can't get the functionality within the solution, Microsoft has now created what's called the appsource. This is an area that will allow individuals to create custom apps and partners to put apps in the marketplace to add functionality that may or may not exist already in the solutions. Some of them will be fee-based and some of them will be complementary to the licensee of the solution. But as we'll see, hundreds and hundreds of apps will eventually be in this appsource marketplace. A reason this is possible is because everything lays across a common data model. Once all of your data is in a consistent, concurrent environment, different applications such as Office 365 or Power BI and Dynamics 365 can share the information more easily and allow you to be connected all the time with this information. All of this technology is hosted on the Microsoft Azure environment, a very secure, very confident environment with uptime guarantees, financially backed guarantees, as well as redundancy and built-in disaster recovery. We'll go ahead and transfer this into the demo, and we'll be excited to see the magic of the solution.
During today's demo, we'll manage and run our small furniture distribution business, Cronus USA, from the perspectives of the owner, the accountant, the sales rep, the sales manager, and the purchasing manager. So let's get started. This is quite unusual for a Microsoft webinar, starting using an iPhone to view key business information on the go, but that's what we're doing. This is live information looking at Dynamics 365. The dashboard displaying key Dynamics 365 information the owners and other key management need to run their business from anywhere, anytime. It allows me to view key information, select information, comment on that information, even share emotions about that information, all from an iPhone in this case, but from any remote device, and tied into Office 365 to enable more effective communication and coordination across an organization. We're going to change gears now from the phone, but we'll be back to that later, and take a look at Dynamics 365 from within the browser. You can see critical business information and drill down to transactions to manage the business. In this case, I see tiles representing transaction activity, and as the accountant, I can view and access information and act on it. See actual invoices, devices, post them if as deemed appropriate. So for business owner and accountant, this information is critical. On the right, we have key performance indicators, and you can choose from various charts and graphs that are available. Actionable. You can drill into this information. Also on the accountant homepage, you can see key account information. These are real-time balances of certain key accounts, and on the right we have a real-time trial balance that allow us to drill down and see detailed information and push out to Excel if desired. Financial statements can be selected to run at any time and or scheduled to run. This is a view of my report inbox of various financial statements, and as you can see, they can be generated in multiple formats. Here's a PDF cash flow statement, an income statement in Excel. You have a lot of options for reporting from within Dynamics 365. I'd like to take a moment to revisit that initial dashboard that we were looking at on our iPhone. If you notice, from within the Office 365, we can access our Dynamics 365, which is this shortcut, we can also access Power BI, which is what we were looking at on the iPhone. And here's the same dashboard that we were looking at. But from here, you can also access information from other data sources, including Dynamics CRM, and you can perform powerful analysis even using normal language types queries. Now, one of the more powerful options as well is to be able to create reports very efficiently and in a relatively easy manner. We're going to create a real basic customer sales report right now in the next minute. And I'm just dragging a couple of fields and then changing this to be a chart, dragging it down, realigning it. So we see here are our customers now listed, and here's a chart of their sales results, and I'm going to just add a quick little header here. And then that's it. And we're going to say File, Save As. And we've just created a Power BI report. So here was our dashboard, and here's our new customer sales report. And this can be shared with users via online. It can be pushed out to be viewed within Dynamics 365. Very powerful solution for very powerful reporting very efficiently. Now I'm going to change hats. We've been pretty much wearing the owner and the accountant's hat, but we're going to change gears over to the sales rep. And as a sales rep, I typically start my day with a cup of coffee, and I open Outlook to see if any customers need my help. And I see an email from Steve Jones, a request for a quote. But I don't really recall Steve too well or his company. So I open Dynamics 365 from within Outlook. And with one button, I'm able to see Dynamics 365 information. I can quickly see that Steve is with Coho Winery and review account information, including balance and activity, and even drill down to that information from within Outlook. This is powerful stuff, very powerful business processing information, all within Outlook. But that's nice that you can see information. But more importantly, I can get work done. I can act on this information. Steve's requesting a quote, so I'm going to send him a quote. From within Outlook, I'm going to prepare his quote for 7 London swivel chairs. Oops. Spell that right. Conference tables, make sure everything looks okay. Totals. You could change shipping or billing information if need be, all from within Outlook. And looks good to me. I'm going to send it off. Say send by email. Creates the body of the email. Attaches the quote. Here's our quote. And I click send. Now I can go about the rest of my day. While I'm away from my desk, I get a call from Steve, which is forwarded from Skype for Business, of course. And he appreciated the timely quote and wants me to process the order with 9 London chairs, not 7, and the 2 Antwerp tables per the quote. This is where I'm going to go back to my phone, my iPhone, and let me share that screen. Just a second here. Okay. So now we're seeing a blank screen there. Hang on a second. Okay. So now we're back at my phone, and I'm opening up Dynamics 365. Now we see there are 3 quotes. And I'm going to go in and pull up the quote I just created for Coho Winery, and he has to change the 7 to 9. We're going to use our phone, and we're going to actually make this order, process the order. We're going to convert the quote to an order. It's now created the order in the phone, and I'm going to email a confirmation. It creates the body of the invoice, or the email. It's attached the actual order as PDF. I'm going to go ahead and send. And now within a couple of minutes, I've spoken with Steve. I've responded to his request to process the order, and I've sent I've changed the quote to an order, sent him the confirmation, and now the accountant can go back in the system and pull up that order. 7 and 2. And I'm going to go ahead and post and send. I want to send him an email with these documents, the shipping document and the invoice. There's the invoice, shipping document now as well. There's that. Now we're going to go over here and take a look at what we have actually processed. So there was that quote, and you can see that information is there, and the other documents, I believe, are in process now. So we're going to actually change gears now. We finished the sales processing as a sales rep, and now we're going to actually log out as a sales rep and log in as a sales manager and take a look at some of the information that is relevant and important for a sales manager to see in their day-to-day activities. And as you notice when we log in, the page is quite different. The sales manager needs to keep a close eye on the pipeline of opportunities, which she does from her home page in Dynamics 365 that is tailored to her sales management needs. She sees the tiles with contacts and opportunities, and that's what's relevant to her. In the sales pipeline, she can view this pipeline by different sales cycles. She can drill into it and see detailed information, which she can extract out to Excel. She has quite a bit of other information as well available to her. So from a sales manager's perspective, we just wanted to give you a quick overview there. And now I just want to take a couple more minutes to share a little bit more insight of some inventory management and some view of the world that is relevant to purchasing manager. Here are the items within our environment at our Cronus USA Furniture Distribution Shop. And we'll take a look at this Athens mobile pedestal. And as you can see on the right, we can see attribute information. And we can track many different relevant and critical attributes for an item. You can see forecasting, which is looking at purchasing trends, customer purchasing trends, and where we're at in terms of our existing order quantities and where we'll need to be, which will help us to analyze our purchasing of items. Items can be inventory or service items. There are multiple costing methods. We can track and have special pricing available for customers and such. You can have item substitutions denoted. Under the inventory statistics, we can pull up our top 10 list of items that are moving. You can see that the Atlanta whiteboard is 30.7% of our sales. And we can even use the system for advice. And this will look out and help us to determine how much to reorder based on purchasing trends and existing quantities and lead times and such. Really helps manage, helps automate the management of inventory and reduce our costs. So during this webinar, we highlighted the efficiency and ease of use of Dynamics 365, including powerful and flexible financial and operational dashboards from an iPhone and browser, tiles and key performance indicators on the Dynamics 365 homepage, drill down to details within Dynamics 365, easily extract details to Excel, tight integrations with Office 365 for insightful business management, including innovative sales order processing within Outlook, automation with emails, notifications, workflow, documents and reports, as we show, Word, Excel, Power BI, CRM. We can upload documents to OneDrive and share them within the organization. From any device, we showed the iPhone and a couple different browsers, Chrome's and Windows Explorer, and Safari from the iPhone. All of this is hosted by Microsoft within the Office 365 portal, enabling rapid and secure deployment. Dynamics 365 is truly delivering on its 3 pillars of connecting your business, making better decisions, and ready to go.
So now what? Thanks so much for watching this initial demo, but if you're interested in an actual full-featured demo that fits your business model, a possible trial of the solution, free consultation, or looking at partnering with us to bring the solution to your customers, please reach out to us directly at our sales@bondconsultingservices.com email. You can also call us at 562-988-3451. We look forward to hearing from you as you're interested in the next step. Please remember that we offer our webinars towards the every month. We offer webinars, and we've got a couple more till the end of the year. Our most common and most popular webinar is this year on November 15th, and it has to do with move forward with year-end closing in Microsoft Dynamics 3P. So please look at our website and go ahead and join for future webinars as well. And just a reminder about Bond Consulting Services. We're a team of expert business technology consultants that will help you move your business forward. We deliver the best Microsoft ERP and CRM solutions. Dynamics GP, Dynamics AX, Dynamics CRM, and now Dynamics 365 for financials. We provide end-to-end solutions, including everything from implementation to support, and anything in between. Follow us socially on either Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube to get lots of information as we move forward. We're also very active with the user group community, and we'll be attending this user group summit upcoming this October in Tampa. We look forward to having you participate in future webinars, and thank you so much for participating in today's webinar.